Scorpio, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong monthly reading ngayong November 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, paalala lang ang reading na to ay general reading. So maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Ayan. Ang ating private reading guys ay hanggang October 31 na lang. So, starting November 1, hindi na po ako mag-offer ng private readings. Okay? So, let's begin, Scorpio. What's the energy for you, November 2025? What's the energy? November 2025. The King of Cups. That is your energy. Water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have the Lovers. The Page of Pentacles. The Six of Wands. Wow. Okay. And the Nine of Pentacles. Wow, this is good news, Scorpio. I feel like mas magfo-focus ka ngayon sa mga bagay na gusto mo, mahal mo. Okay? You're going to be committed to a relationship, to a person, or sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, na kung saan nandun talaga yung passion mo. And you will be rewarded doon sa mga ginagawa mo kasi galing yan sa puso mo. Hindi mo siya ginagawa dahil lang gusto mong sumikat or hindi mo siya ginagawa dahil gusto mo lang ng kumita ng pera. It's because that is your passion. That's what you really want. And you are learning. Kumbaga patuloy yung pag-aaral mo, patuloy yung pag-explore mo, at pag-i-improve mo sa sarili mo. And you are going to be rewarded doon sa efforts na binibigay mo. When it comes to money, finances, money is good for you ngayong November. Meron kang mga achievements, may mga goals ka. Meron kang mga nasimulan na makikita mo na yung resulta nito. This can be a business, career, even relationship. More on business and finances to or personal goals mo na finally makukuha mo na. You will also focus on improving your physical appearance, the way you look, the way you carry yourself. So, mas magiging focus ka sa pag-ayos ng iyong sarili. You will also achieve yung meron kang goal sa career mo, trabaho mo, finances mo, ma-achieve mo yon ngayong November. Maraming admirers, no? Scorpio. Some of you may mga admirers, but yung iba, kahit na marami kayong admirers, maraming na-attract sa inyo, ang focus nyo, career nyo or finances nyo, business nyo. Three of Cups. Meron kang kaibigan, meron ditong friend, close friend na pwedeng magpapahiwatig ng pagkagusto sa'yo or romantic connection na pwedeng ikaw ay papasok sa relasyon na yan. Eight of Pentacles. Oh, the Sun. Ang ganda. Alam nyo, you are going to be busy. Very busy ngayong November. Pero yung pagka-busy nyo na yon hindi nyo mararamdaman kasi mahal nyo yung ginagawa nyo. Sobrang rewarded kayo. Oh, you have the Fool. This is new beginnings and also the Six of Cups. I see healing. Meron dito nag-heal from your past, healing from your childhood trauma, healing your inner child. Mas nagiging playful ka ngayon. Mas nagpo-focus ka rin sa mga bagong experiences. Gusto mo ngayon quality yung mga experiences mo, whether this is sa career, sa business mo, relationships mo, sa travel mo. Pwedeng meron ding travel opportunities for you or bagong experience na i-explore mo kasi nandoon yung interest mo. Ayan. So, yung iba, this can be a hobby, no? Yung iyong libangan na pwede mong pagkakitaan. This can bring you money and abundance, no? Kung ito ay i-explore mo. Let's see what else. Scorpio. Oh, Taurus energy. Cultivate. Ayan, pag-aalaga. Pagtatanim, pagsisimula. Talagang yung iba sa inyo focus sa resources, sa mga prized possessions ninyo, mga ari-arian. So, yung iba, pwedeng mag-i-invest kayo sa properties, sa lupa, bahay, real estate. You also have energy ng Virgo. Oh, very practical yung energy nyo ngayon. Ngayong November, Scorpio. Virgo is an earth sign and paying attention to details. Yung iba sa inyo rito, ang inyong negosyo or interest ninyo ngayon, maybe sa medical field, sa paghahalaman, anything about herbal, anything about health and beauty, ganyan. You have the South Node energy. So, South Node is your past. And I feel like ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na you are healing from your past situation. You are healing from your past mistakes. Yung South Node rin kasi ito yung power mo. Ito yung lakas mo. Ito yung kumbaga, dito ka na expert. So, you are going to unleash your expertise. Use your expertise, use your knowledge to bring abundance sa buhay mo. Oh my God, there's so much energy about your past. Yung iba sa inyo, Scorpio, maaring merong person from the past na magbabalik or meron kang makikita ulit na person from the past or an experience in your past na babalik sa ngayong November. Halimbawa, dati nag-try kang magtinda. Oo. Or mag-online selling or ano man to na endeavor mo in the past na ngayong November ibabalik mo siya. Or magkakaroon ka ng opportunity na gawin yun ulit. And then, yung mga projects mo in your past, pwede ring person from the past magbabalik. So, you have to be careful sa mga energy ng past na babalik. Pwede kasing ito naman ay foreclosure lang or syempre, meron kang free will kung anong gusto mo dyan na gawin sa past person mo, ha? Ayan. O, ito yung iba sa inyo, creative talents. You are going to explore, focus, improve, cultivate, nurture your creative talents and skills. So, definitely healing your inner child, yung mga traumatic experience nyo in the past. Kasi ano yan eh, yan yung, alam nyo yung mga past trauma natin, yan yung isa sa mga pumipigil or parang nagiging balakid sa atin para mas mag-explore at umunlad sa buhay. Kasi nga we're living from the past experience. So, kailangan i-let go mo na yan. So, money, career, finances for Scorpio. Money, career, finances. You have the 9 of Cups. Oh, meron kang wish fulfillment. Ano bang wish mo ngayon? Oh, you have the Knight of Pentacles, stability in your finances, career, and business. You also have the 6 of Swords. So, yung iba sa inyo, if there is something na hindi na kayo masaya sa sitwasyon nyo sa trabaho, business, career, ready na kayo na iwanan yan to focus on other things, to try new things, and explore yung iba nyo pang potentials. Sa love life, you have the King of Wands, the 10 of Pentacles, and the 2 of Pentacles. So, pagdating sa sa relationship, some of you, maaring hindi kayo nagkakaroon ng oras sa isa't isa kung kayo meron karelasyon, especially if you are very busy or yung partner mo very busy. Make sure na meron kayong time together. Traveling together will help you bond. Will help you strengthen your bond as a couple. No? If single ka naman, pwedeng more on focusing on your career talaga. Oo. Maaring merong person na may interest sa'yo but pay attention sa intention ng taong to. Kasi mukhang hindi pa to seryoso. Okay? Kasi parang isa ka lang sa option niya. Be careful. Your purpose is personal expansion. See, this is what I'm talking about kanina, exploration. Your purpose is personal expansion. How can you be more intentional with your choices and live with more purpose. Yes, intentional ka ngayon sa iyong choices. So, alam mo kung ano yung path na tinitake mo, pinag-aaralan mo yan, kumbaga well-calculated yung mga steps mo. You are also taking well-calculated risks dahil alam mo kung ano ang magiging resulta niyan for you. So, that is your reading, Scorpio. Thank you so much. See you again.